Hi, Biotech TV. You might have seen in the news this morning that a biotech company called Avalyn Pharma filed for its IPO last night. So here's a little bit of like the story behind the news. So Avalyn's trying to develop inhaled versions of medicines that we already know work, like pirfenidone for IPF. And the idea here is that an inhaled delivery could be more efficient than like a pill in a bottle or even an IV infusion for certain conditions. If you know about IPF, you may know that a lot of patients sadly don't take their medicine because it's so hard to tolerate, even though it's a deadly disease. So Avalyn's trying to take that and have an inhaled version that maybe can get around some of the GI side effects and be administered at maybe a lower, more efficient dose. Now, that's easier said than done, but I visited Avalyn about a year ago, and the CEO, Lynn Baranowski, demonstrated to me the inhaler that they use. It's pretty cool. Check it out.
This is actually the inhaler that we use. It's a handheld nebulizer, and hopefully you can see the kind of really gentle mist that this generates. In this kind of inhaler, it gets to the right particle size in the right part of the lung, and it's also the kind of inhaler that patients with this disease can actually use and breathe in and out with. So, we think this is really an important solution for the disease.
So I think that's a pretty interesting idea. So if you'd like to brush up on Avalyn before the IPO, you could check out my full in-depth interview with Lynn that we had about a year ago at the link below. Thanks a lot.